The Reexpress Model Context Protocol server is the first approach to provide reliable and robust output verification to large language models. It's AI you can trust and verify to constrain hallucinations and guide test time reasoning. Today, I'm going to show an early preview of an upcoming version which provides additional scaffolding to easily adapt your enterprise verification pipeline using the IBM Granite series of models. Enterprise AI requires three properties: introspection, updatability, and uncertainty, and these are uniquely obtainable via Reexpress. Today, the focus is on updatability. In this version, we make it easy to modify the composed representation space of your verification pipeline using the IBM Granite series of models. These models have the expressivity to compose multiple model outputs, over which we will constrain the representation space to calculate uncertainty estimates, while being lightweight enough to quickly fine-tune and run locally. This replaces the embedding API calls used in our existing MCP server. Let's get right into a demo. I've enabled the 8 Reexpress tools that use the IBM Granite model, and let's ask the question, when and where did the mathematician Benoit Mandelbrot construct visualizations of the set that bears his name? I'm going to speed up the video, but the tool calling model replies that it was between 1978 and 1988 at IBM Research, and the computational resources of IBM enabled him to make that revolutionary visualization. Now, let's call the Reexpress tool to verify the correctness of that answer. Behind the scenes, the Granite model is composing the responses for multiple additional models, and over that, we calculate an uncertainty estimate. Here, the model confirms with the answer with a probability of 98%. Importantly, if needed, an analyst can always inspect how that calculation was determined by calling the View tool. Next, let's ask a seemingly more simple question. What is 8.8 minus 8.11? The model quickly replies with the wrong answer, and we're given no indication as to the reliability of the output. So that's a real problem with enterprise settings where correctness is paramount. Let's call the Reexpress tool. Reexpress replies that the answer confidence is only at 50%. Now, at least we know to check the output carefully as a user. But we also have additional recourse. We can ask the model to continue refining its answer until it reaches a verified probability of at least 95%. The tool calling model and Reexpress engage in a dialogue as part of the test time reasoning process, which we refer to as reasoning with uncertainty aware verification. In this case, after a few calls to the Reexpress tool, the correct answer is obtained with a probability above the requested threshold. And if we are satisfied with the answer, we can also use the Reexpress Add True tool to immediately update the support of the uncertainty estimator. This will make a fast, local update to the estimator and complements changes we can make by fine-tuning the underlying Granite model. So that's the Reexpress MCP server using the IBM Granite model. Check out our code repo for additional details. Thanks.